Good morning. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And kind of want to get like a virtual poll in the comments. I'll probably also post a poll on the community tab. Go vote, comment. By the way, that also helps the channel. Maybe I need to buy a RoadRunner. That is right, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And today, I'm talking about another car that a good friend of mine in Oklahoma is selling. That's right. Randy, over from Auto Auction Rebuilds, tried to run the new RoadRunner that I know he's put several $1,000s in. And he also bought the car for 12 grand, tried to run it through Copart in Oklahoma City, only for it to bring, that's right, you guessed it, $8,000. That's not acceptable. I'm just going by what post, and I haven't talked to Randy about this. I didn't tell him I was going to do this, but this is nothing different, man. I've bought a few cars from Randy over the last year and a half. Well, not from Randy directly. Let me be clear, because people like to hate and try to cause problems with like dealer commissions and stuff, but it really doesn't matter because we're both wholesale dealers, so I guess we could do that too. But anywho's, I bought a couple vehicles that he's had for sale at IAA, the Pontiac GTO and the Pontiac Chieftain. Sorry, my people here at McDonald's love me. Look, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, don't get it twisted. One of my sponsors is Black Rifle Coffee, and I absolutely, positively love my Black Rifle Coffee. And as it spreads more into like more shops and more places around the country, it'll probably be my go-to coffee. But like this right here, though, in the morning with an Egg McMuffin before I hit the gym. Anywho's, so let me show you an idea of what this thing looks like if you haven't seen it before. I mean, I put it in the thumbnail, but let me give you an idea of what this thing looks like. So this is kind of like a cinematic photo that Randy took of this thing, and this thing is absolutely beautiful. And I'm really not even offended with the wheels and tires on this. This thing just looks so friggin' good, man, and I think it would be such an awesome addition to the channel. I really do. So, extremely attractive car. Color was on point because, you know, with the Purple Heart, this being a Mopar, being what I do as a job PR-wise now for Stellantis, this thing would fit right in. And I'm not giving anything away, but, you know, Plymouth is an iconic brand that is... be really interesting if that came back in the next year or so. You know, it'd be really interesting if there was another RoadRunner that just showed up in another year. That'd be crazy. So to have the classic road, you know what? Let me stop. I'm being funny, and I'm gonna fuck around and get fired. Needless to say, I'm thinking about bidding on it. And before I publish this video, I am going to reach out to Randy directly and find out if it is going back up. If he's going to run it back through Copart, then I'm going to snatch it back up. And obviously we're going to bid a little bit more than $8 grand on the car. And we'll see what we can get it for. You know, I'm sure there's going to be a couple other people now when we do a video on it, because, you know, I have haters that like to try to bid me up. And hey, man, it's all a win, man. Just in case you didn't know, whatever I pay for a car, I get to write it off for the channel. So, you know, I do have to pay taxes every year. So if you bid me up and I end up paying 11 or 12 or 13 grand for this car, it's okay, because I'm going to write it all off anyway. And then, to be honest, you know, the 4 or 5 videos I'll probably cut on the car, not to mention it's not going to get sold. It'll probably stay around for a long time. All the video content will pay for the car, so I don't care. Haters. But do tell your mom I'll be by there by 8 o'clock. It's been a minute and I need to get that sideways action in. Anywho's, so that's my thought process on it. I'd love to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Would you guys like to see the RoadRunner on the channel? I love the color. I love a lot about the car. It looks super cool and could be like my, you know, cars and coffee weekend car. You know, that's kind of what I wanted to do with the Pontiac Chieftain. But to be honest, you know, something like if I want to take it somewhere long distance, it's kind of hard because, you know, anything over 55 miles an hour in that car kind of sucks. And I know you could change the rear end, you could change this, but then it's not original anymore. And it's kind of like, why mess that up, you know? So a car like this, I'm not going to really mod it. I mean, I'm probably going to resto mod some stuff. Like I'd want to get different wheels and tires on it. No, I'm not going to put the Asantes on it like the Buick. Pump your brakes. I'm not going to dunk the car out, all right? Just, I know y'all, that was the comments I got on that. Everything, do you know when I got the Buick like that, it came that way? It's not like I was like, let me throw 20-inch Asantes on this joint. Come on, man. Oh, anyways, the LS is 100% my fault, though. The LS2 that we put in that car was 100% my fault. Whew, God. And I miss an old school. I really do. That's the thing. I want to get me another old school car like that because I think it would be super fun. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Go to the poll here on the community tab. You can vote there too. And I'll take a mixture between the comments here, the comments there, and the poll. And, you know, if enough of you guys want to see it, you know, I'm thinking like maybe 300-400 people want to see it, then I'll take a shot at it. See you guys on the next one.